the United States, right? Hello, Jason. Hi there, Sir Jason. Thank you so much. Welcome to my live, Sir Jason. Hi. 11:40 p.m. Wednesday night here po. Okay, Mr. Scott. 11:40 p.m. Okay. p.m. of the Wednesday. But I have a very important work, so I can go my little daughter because my little baby is suffering from a fever. Okay. Namaste. Thank you very much, Ma'am Radhika. Thank you so much for supporting the live of Progressogen TV. Thank you, Ma'am. Thank you. Hope your daughter better soon, Radhika. Yeah, I'm praying for your daughter faster recovery for her fever. Yeah, God be blessed to your daughter. Ingat! Yes! I hope you have a wonderful day. Ingat! Thank you very much for coming, Mr. Scott. Thank you so much.
Muniko po.
Ha? Wala na. Mulido? Ubus na.
Muniko.
Ha?
Muniko.
Ano Muniko? Muniko? Ano Muniko?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano Muniko? Wala ko din alam ang Muniko eh. Ano siya? Inumin? Inumin gayod.
Ayun man siya.
Ay, gin bar man pala niya to. Ano sabi sa'yo, inumin? Ano man?
Muniko man sabi sa akin.
Munigo din. Hindi ko rin alam kung anong munigo. Ano ang munigo? Hello. Wow, we have a new update from the Hello, Bad Fi! Shout out, Bad Files!